In this video, we are setting up the new Love Letters planner from the Happy Planner. It is a horizontal planner, but it's specifically made just for learning how to hand letter. And this has been one of the things I've wanted to do for a long time. I'm so excited that they came out with a planner like this. So let's get into it. We're also going to be adding a snap-in cover, possibly some different discs, and let's try out a few pens to see which kind of pen will be best to use in this planner. Hello, I'm Katie. Welcome to the Planner channel. Subscribe to the Planner channel to watch new videos every week about planning and productivity. This is the new 2021 horizontal Happy Planner. It is in the big size, which means it has 11 discs and it holds a full-size letter sheet of paper. You can find it on thehappyplanner.com and in your Joann stores. There will be links in the description box. It says Love Letters 2021 on the front. Let's flip through it real quick and then we're going to try out some pens to see what kind of pen I'll be practicing hand lettering in this planner. So this is new for the 2021 planners. There's a new little welcome note, and this one tells you a little bit about the horizontal layout. So depending which layout you get, it'll tell you a little bit how to use it and how to get some more resources directly from the Happy Planner. All right, so there's a whole, one of my favorite part about the big planners is that you can punch in, if you have one of the Happy Planner punches, you can punch in regular letter size paper. So it's a great way to keep papers. So this one has your whole annual overview, 6 months at a time. Really pretty ombre color too. I like to track something in that section. So if you're practicing your hand lettering, you could check off which days that you actually practiced in there. So here's January, and it is showing how to learn the first strokes of calligraphy or hand lettering. And it shows some of the arrows, which direction to write, upstrokes and downstrokes, and some tips at the bottom. So it's like a whole workbook right in the planner, which is awesome. So here's January overview. It has some of the like double aligned section on the left there for more practicing. And then of course you can plan in this planner as well. All of the horizontal lining in this planner has that double line. So it has like your solid line and your dotted line in the center to help you practice your hand lettering. And then there are more tips in the corners, like here, learning your ovals and the letter C. And it looks like there's a little prompt to show you what to practice each week, which is so cool. I'm so excited about this because I really want to get good at hand lettering, and it's not as easy as it looks. Strokes to success. So let's, ooh, February has colored lines. What was on January? Oh, January was like a light teal. February has like a, what is this? Orchid, pinkish purple. More tips. Let's see what March has. Did I look at the tab? Oh yeah, it had more of your strokes. March has the pen is mightier than the sword. Love. More tips here. And let's see what March, it has like a peach color. Let's see, April, more lettering tips. Wait, the last, were these, that must be a different peach. So this one has like a pinky peach, and this is more like an orange peach. Look how pretty that is. Letters, words, sentences, stories. Then we're back to the teal. June has some more lettering tips and that orchid color lines. July, lettering tips and like the pinky peach color. August, more lettering tips and like that orange peach. September, what does that say? The person who doesn't make mistakes is unlikely to make anything. Yes, you have to make mistakes. You have to get it done. Do it, even if it's not perfect. That's how you get better. So teal. October has more lettering tips and that orchid color. November, more lettering tips and that pinkish peach. December. Ooh, look how pretty that is. Has the whole alphabet. And the orange lines. Okay. Oh, look at the inside cover. It has your letters. You could probably use wet erase or dry erase markers to practice on that as well. And then a whole note page with grid paper in the back. Let's see what is in the front. Yeah, that same lettering lines. I want to try out some pens. Maybe we'll use this back page because I don't want to use inside the months yet because I'm going to actually use those for practice. Let's try out a couple of lettering pens that I have to see which one kind of writes the best. Okay, I have a couple of good brush lettering pens. The top one is the Tombow dual brush pen, and the bottom one is the Kelly Creates Dream pen in Blossom. What color is this? I guess 676 is this color, purple, on the Tombow pen. So let's just try it out. Now, again, I am no brush lettering expert. All I know is thick downstrokes and thin upstrokes, and I'm not good at it yet. So there is the Tombow brush. Let's try the Kelly Creates brush pen. Okay, well, first of all, the colors are both super pretty. Let's see if they went through the page. Absolutely zero went through the page. Can you see that? You can't see the lettering at all. So the paper is super good. The color is beautiful. All you have to do is get good at your hand lettering, and I can't really tell the difference between these two pens. They look super similar. They're kind of watercolor looking, how they kind of fade from light to dark within the color. So both of these are really good for lettering in this planner. Next up, I want to add these medium classic size discs, which are the same size as these. These are also plastic, but they're in that super pretty pinkish peach marble. It's so pretty. I think it's gonna look great with this planner with the colors on the inside, and it kind of coordinates with this rose gold snap-in cover. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that together and show you what it looks like. Quick tip. Undo is perfect for cleaning off the covers of your planners. Look how pretty these discs are up close. They all have like a little individual different swirl pattern. They are so pretty. So first I like to put the discs on the snap cover. Look how cool, those look so good with this. I'm so happy I got those. And then I will add on the regular cover. And then we'll add back in the pages. There, we are all put together and customized with the marble discs and the shiny rose gold snap-in cover for my Love Letters 2021 calligraphy planner. Leave a comment down below and tell me, are you a beginner hand letterer? Are you intermediate and you can do some letters but you're not an expert yet? Or are you an expert hand letterer? Leave a comment down below. If you like this video, please be sure to subscribe, share with your friends, hit that thumbs up button, click the link in the description box to get your free power plan checklist, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!